Guys, so vegan mac and cheese is a classic staple recipe of any family, of any person really. And y'all know that my go-to recipe is a super easy squash mac and cheese sauce that you can use over mac and cheese, you can use it over nachos. It is just an amazing cheese sauce. But a lot of you have also commented that you might have a nut allergy or that, nuts are generally really expensive. So today I have something even easier for you. We're gonna just stick blocks of tofu right in, and it's equally as creamy. It's not as expensive as nuts either, and people generally have a block lying around here and there. So I hope you all enjoy this recipe. I know it seems like a healthy recipe because we're starting off with 2.5 cups of squash. We're just gonna steam them until they get nice and soft so that we can puree it, but you can't even tell. So it's kind of like hiding vegetables in something that is naughty. So after the squash are done, we're gonna put together the cheese sauce. So that's some squash. This is some nutritional yeast. Recipe is going to be down below, and nutritional yeast tastes very much like Parmesan cheese. It is what makes vegan cheese very cheesy. I'm going to put in some onion powder, some garlic powder, some sea salt, and some lemon juice. And the lemon juice is going to make it nice and tangy, kind of like cheese. And then this is a 300-gram block of silken tofu. Now, if you want your cheese sauce to be thicker, like maybe you're using it for nachos or something, feel free to use something firmer. I'm just using this because I want this sauce to be more liquidy, because later on we're actually gonna bake the mac and cheese because I wanted to do something really special for you guys. So I have 2 bowls of lentil pasta here. Yes, it is actually made from lentil beans because I wanted it to be a bit healthier for you guys. But if you haven't tried lentil pasta before, it is really, really good. It tastes very much like pasta. So I definitely recommend it. And just split the sauce between the 2 bowls. It may seem like a lot of sauce, but because we are going to be baking it, the pasta will absorb a little bit more of that and you'll lose a little bit of it in the baking process. So I am gonna make this a little bit more special, get that crispy topping going, and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs. You can use whatever breadcrumbs that you want. On top, I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt and a mixed herb. Finally, I'm gonna drizzle on top a little bit of olive oil, and that'll just get the tops nice and crispy. And this guy goes into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes, just until the tops get nice and golden. I mean, this mac and cheese is quite the treat, but if you look at the ingredients, it's like pretty healthy for you, and it's darn good. Anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed this recipe. I'm really just getting together all of the most searched for recipes and veganizing them for you all in Veganuary. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys all again next time. Bye!